Hi there! In this guide, we'll show you how to efficiently configure the CONREGO system to handle event attendee registration. After creating a trial account, check your email inbox. You'll find a link to the admin panel in the welcome message. After logging in for the first time, you'll see the welcome screen. This is where we'll start preparing the system. On the Event Properties screen, enter the event name, location, and description. Select the time zone that will be used to display dates and times in the system and various reports. Specify the start and end times of the event, as well as the registration period, which defines when the registration form is available. Remember, outside these dates, the form will not be accessible to attendees. Here, you'll make a key decision that affects how CONREGO functions, whether to activate ticket sales. If your event is free, select No. If you plan to sell tickets, select Yes. This enables additional features such as setting up pricing options, issuing invoices, integrating with payment gateways, and using discount codes. In this guide, we'll cover the configuration of a paid event. If your event is free, simply skip the sales-related sections. Let's select the accepted currencies. You can also choose whether the sales are taxable and specify the tax rate. You can password protect the event page to restrict access while you're working on it. If the event website or registration form should be available only to a closed group, enable bot blocking. This prevents the page from appearing in search engine results, like Google. After saving changes, we'll move on to the next step, configuring ticket types. What are ticket types? A ticket type could represent a participation category, regular attendee, speaker, VIP, a session or edition of the event, December workshop, January workshop. We treat ticket types as products offered to attendees at the beginning of the registration process. Let's configure two example ticket types, regular attendees and speakers. Each ticket type should have a unique name, a set attendee limit, and an assigned registration template. The next step is configuring the registration template. The registration template defines how the registration process looks and works, which fields are included in the form, what offer elements are available, what emails are sent, and how the registration summary looks. Each ticket type can have its own registration template, which allows you to tailor the experience depending on whether someone is signing up as an attendee or a speaker. We'll start with the default template, which acts as a base and contains all the necessary fields and offer elements. You can choose what appears first, the registration form or the offer selection. In the first section, we can modify the content displayed above the form, but we'll leave it as is for now. Each form is built from sections and data fields. Besides the existing personal details section and fields, let's add a new section called Company Information and a few fields. Organization name, year of establishment, number of employees. Activate their visibility and make them required so that each attendee must fill them in. Now let's configure the offer. There's already a participation in the event section. Let's add another one. Workshops, with 3 workshops, A, B, and C, each priced at £100. Assuming the panels run in parallel and attendees can choose only one, we'll use the Offer Item Blocking Rules function to create a rule preventing selection of multiple panels simultaneously. Next, you can change how available spots and descriptions are presented next to offer elements. Then we activate the registration summary stage, allowing attendees to review the information they entered and return to the form if needed to make corrections. In the summary content and later steps, you can use tags to personalize the text in many ways. Don't forget to try them out. For example, We'll add tags to embed the attendees form and offer selection data in the summary content. The next step is the registration confirmation screen. It appears at the end of the process and includes a sample thank you message. Now let's set up automatic communication. The system provides templates for registration and transaction confirmations. You can edit, duplicate, or create templates from scratch. Let's add a name tag to the registration confirmation template, a small touch that leaves a good impression. We'll leave the default transaction confirmation template in place. Enable the option automatically send the payment confirmation email whenever a transaction is settled. For events with active ticket sales, in addition to the transaction confirmation, you can also prepare automatic messages like payment reminder and registration cancellation for expired payments. Save your changes and move on to the next step, sales settings. The system contains sample seller data and a bank account number, which you can replace. By default, bank transfer payments are enabled, meaning account details will appear on invoices generated by CONREGO. The next setting allows you to restrict currency selection for specific language versions. Now, let's configure the payment data form. This is where attendees provide the information used for invoicing. In addition to default fields, you can add extras like discount code, tax number, comments, purchase order number, email address for invoices, and payer type. Speaking of invoices, the next section lets you enable generation of pro forma, final, and correction invoices. Specify the desired invoice numbering format. In the service name field, enter a universal name that will appear on the invoice. Finally, upload a logo that will appear in the top left corner of the invoice. Done. The basic configuration of the system is complete. Let's now see what the registration process looks like from the attendee's perspective. Got questions? Check out our knowledge base. It includes answers to common questions and detailed how-to articles. You can also schedule a training session or contact us via chat, email, or phone. All the relevant links are in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.